In this video, we will see how to do 3-digit subtraction. It is similar to the 2-digit subtraction I discussed in the previous video. Let's see how to do it. Now let's move on to 3-digit subtraction. The concept is just the same. First we take the leftmost pair as we are moving from left to right. 8 minus 4. It is 4. But don't write 4 here. You're just going to keep 4 in mind. And see the next pair. The next pair is 1 minus 9, which is a mismatch combination. So since 1 minus 9 is a mismatch combination, what do you have to do? You have to subtract 1 from 4. The answer will be 3. And since 1 minus 9 cannot be subtracted directly, what do? We use the complements. So we have to find the complement of the second digit, that is 9. The complement of 9 is 1. The complement of 9 is 1. This 1 we are going to add with the first digit. We are going to add this 1 with the first digit. That is 1 plus 1, it is 2. Then moving forward to the next pair, which is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is again a match combination. You don't have to do anything, just subtract directly. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So our answer is 322. Let us look at this example now. It is 816 minus 317. So the first pair, 8 minus 3, the difference is 5. So before writing 5 here, you are going to observe the next pair. So as I told you earlier, if the numbers are same, then also it's a match combination. So since 1 and 1 is 0 and it's a match combination, we are directly writing 5 here. We are not going to do anything with this 5. We are simply going to write 5 here. So 5 will come here. And when we move to the next pair, which is 1 minus 1, it is 0. You don't have to do anything here. Again, you move forward to the next pair. In this pair, the last pair is a mismatch combination. It's a mismatch combination. So since this is a mismatch combination, you have to subtract 1 from the previous number, not the previous digit, the previous number. That is 50 minus 1, it is 49. 50 becomes 49. Since it is a mismatch combination, immediately you have to subtract 1 from 50. So 50 becomes 49. Then we move to the next pair. 6 minus 7, we have to find the complement of 7, which is 3. So this 3 you add with 6 and you get 9. So the answer is 499. The answer is 499. In this example, when we move from left to right, you see that this pair is a match combination, but these two pairs are mismatch combinations. Let's see how to do this kind of problem. So the first pair is 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 we know it is 6. But don't write 6 directly here. We are going to keep 6 in mind and observe the next pair. The next pair is a mismatch combination. Since it's a mismatch combination, we are going to subtract 1 from 6. So the answer is 5. The answer here is 5. As we move to the next pair, which is 4 minus 8, we are going to see, we know that we have to use complements to do this. So the complement of 8 is 2. So this 2, yes, 2 we are going to add to 4. So 2 plus 4, 6 is the answer here. But again when we move forward, 6 minus 9 is also a mismatch combination. Since we know this is a mismatch combination, immediately you are going to subtract. Immediately you are going to subtract 1 from 56. Whatever is the number before, you are going to subtract 1 from that. So 56 will become 55. It is 55. Then you do the subtraction. To do the subtraction, we have to use complements. The complement of 9 is 1. So this 1 you will add to 6 and get 7 here. So our answer is 557. Hope this 3-digit subtraction is clear to you. In practice, these complements will come to your mind very quickly, and then you will be able to do the subtractions fast without any steps. Thank you and bye for now.